Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make mozzarella sticks at home. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't order out a lot because it's just not in my budget. I'm not someone that can eat out every day, so when I can make something that I love to eat going out at home, it's a bonus for me. So I wanted to share it with you. It's really easy, so I think that you guys are really going to enjoy it, and it's really delicious. So if you want to see how they come together really easily, make sure you keep watching. So to make this, you're going to need some flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, salt, Italian seasoning, pepper. You're going to need cheese of your choice. I'm using string cheese. It's really important that these are frozen though. And you're going to need some vegetable oil or any oil that you typically use for frying. So I want to talk to you really quickly about your cheese. You can use string cheese, which is what I love to use, or you can do like a block of cheese. Also, it's really important that your cheese is super frozen before you go ahead and fry it up. Otherwise, it's just going to be one cheesy puddle in your oil. So you have two options. You can freeze the cheese prior to breading it, which is what I like to do, or you can bread it and freeze it and just fry it when you're ready. That option it's up to you. So whatever you prefer. I have no patience, so I feel like once I'm breading them, I just want to eat them, so I do it ahead of time. But again, that's your preference. You do what you want to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to season each part of the layering process. So a pinch of salt for the flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs, pepper, and again. And then finally a little bit of Italian seasoning in all. And then you're just going to mix this in. Alright, now it's time to get everything started. You're going to take your frozen mozzarella stick. You're going to dip it in your flour mixture. Dip it in your egg. And I do wet hand, dry hand. Just get the excess egg off. And you're going to put it into your dry breadcrumb mixture. Now here is the important step, right? And take it out. I'm going to actually use my dry hand. You're going to dip it back into your egg. And you're going to do another layer. That's going to give you that beautiful crunchy outside that you get when you get a mozzarella stick. So I'm going to do the rest. And then we are going to get it frying. So I heated up my oil. I don't have an oil thermometer, so what I do is I just take a piece of like the dough part of it. I throw it in. If it starts to bubble like that, you see, you know it's ready. So what I'm going to do, actually let me grab some tongs for this. So my oil is nice and hot, but you do keep it on a pretty low temperature because if you do it on a high temperature, the outside of your mozzarella stick's going to burn and the cheese on the inside's still going to be frozen. So you're just going to put these in. And you don't want to overcrowd your pan. So I do about 4 or 5 at a time. And you're going to let these cook for about a minute or 2 on each side until they're golden brown. And then you can enjoy them. Alright, they're frying away, but I want to show you my first batch. Oh, it's hot. But I just want to show you the inside. Can we talk about that for a second? I mean, come on. Does not get any better than this. Just as good as if you went out to eat, I promise you. So good. So I hope you found this recipe helpful. I hope you're going to try it out and just see how easy it is to make these at home. You have two options here. You can fry them up right away, which is what I'm going to do. Or you can go ahead and freeze them and just save them for a later date and just pull them out whenever you need them. So whatever floats your boat. Make sure to head over to the Lazy Girls Kitchen to get the written recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.